mo bibia akwaba me din de adwoa sechi na Portia Asare eye sinitweni abanya wo Ghana ha no ne ho eye fedie papapa na Portia de ensem bi atudwa na ensem a Portia eka no eye areho kakra Portia kire se na areho se oyoba oba simati se ono wawo mienu na se bio osanso abeware na wabewu abofra fufuro na ebiane mba akoye miensa anase enan na emofra no eso obia enane papa haliye papa no tenase na okaya osu na Portia de ensem we atudwa wabra okọ delay show so na delay eye ni interview no enkomodidim na Portia kire se owo secondary school no owo baako na owo baako wie no otumi ebo modern co school ewie na owie school no na o started the career as an actress e Ghana ha we say ene eba no kuma wudu a Portia agidin ye wo papa na Portia started na dwuma sunyame na drom na onya obema ware no na oye osofo na aware no entimi agina agese egui na aware ni muso no osanso ewo nti chese ne mba akoyetu esro obia na ne papa na no na delay ebisa ne say obeware bio and also oh why not obeware bio because oyoba na oware na se ni kun no e prefer so obewu amano na delay eche say eba ne sa na wo mba no esro bia na ne papa how na Portia eche say ha no oyoba ankoba bia de opene say obetena se no mo abeji wa ware na chere say woni obemapro no awo mbe nyina but ewiase nye de wo pe na ebe ko bia pese obekọ school obeye doctor obeye nurse obeye say but e mo fra no wo school a teacher bi sansa obeye dey o si meye adwuma we but eye de ye kan nyina na ye nti Portia say sometimes the wish say nke be ba ya brabo mu ne no na e ba ya brabo nti Portia eche say delay bi sa na sa question no kra no e de areho e bai na yenti ensema Portia Asare e de etudwa
Wankasa
enti na ewo fie ho
okay enti na emema de erashe rosa no
oh some obi be pemi a menim say me tunti na obe pemi na manim na mensa
okay
menim but okay. I mean by means
do you want to get married again?
Oh, of course I'm going to get married again.
Oba so wo bio
say me worry be man na say opemi nya me na meka say me wo me they left to me alone na enka one boy one girl nka me okay but obviously I cannot be a selfish person. Obi be worry the person see you ompe wasem ompe oba ana ompe wankon worry and obviously I'm sure the man who will marry me would also want me to have a child.
Enko house say wo mama enso obi papa nko
oh enye sa na obi pe na brabo
sa pepepe
nyame anim ni nukrani sometimes me ya mesu aya mesu even you asking me this question has brought a little sadness in me, but that is life. We are saying obia ni ho no ma oba no me ma me ne kan also obia ni wa ye wo no na sekan ehye ne nsem eye ewiase abrabo ene manipa ekọ situations bia aya okomu me de ye wo me no obia ni wa pese ye obeye say princess and a queen sir and so enka left to me alone na enka ye wo me no bibia ko totin na ma ko me school na nka ma ware na ma wo me ma na ma ko me school aye me doctorate said dey ma dream kire me na but abrabo na ye achiwa enti ba bia wo pesa wo be kokra na utimi ko eniama bia wo pesa wo be fam no utimi fam ni nyina ka ho na ma life is a journey. It's a school. Enti no bi adachi bi no metenasia metimi de tu minua no monketoa ana me bafo but enye me na me pe se enka at this age me maye mienu bia papa nko but abrabo no sa na tie bia me see so no so ne kasa kire me na me tie ya enka me wie secondary school na enka me nkonyem but children are gifts from God.
Is it juma be na ye
Juma me ya na me woman me an actor.
Who so acting? The last time I acted here then.
Oh, about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And me producing me movies.
Okay. What's that?
In terms of some way, Portia a day atudwa. Address me and I'm the way every or subscribe to my channel. Now me a bell also when a notification video be ashare.
Sometimes ube tu kwan ya pese o hye say enti me kwa e bi azayon be frɛ me ama madwuma bi aya na me koi ti me a me hye ye no na say me ba 2016 na adwuma no mo ma me bi nye me twɛn wani ma sɛ nka wo be frɛ mo mfrɛ me da na me se ne ma me nkɔ kakra nsa.
How many kids do you have?
2.
A boy and a girl?
Yes.
Where are they?
They're there here in Ghana.
In Ghana. I've never been Congo. My name is Zion Felix. My name Portia Asare and Ekasa. Portia Asare Boating.
Yes, that's my full name, but it be my name Portia Asare and now Portia Boating. Okay, I blame myself because even in my passport is Portia Boating, but my name is Portia Asare Boating.
So could say name?
Aidu.
So why didn't you ask me to add the Aidu to it?
No, he didn't give birth to me.
But oh, we are in Ghana. I mean, I think we are saying I do the same name.
No, my name has always been Portia Asare Boating. I never changed my name.
You took one for Indian Canada.
Name Penisa.
No, did it happen?
Whatever.
No, did it happen?
It didn't happen.
You didn't add your husband's name to your name?
No.
Why?
It's reasons best known to me.
Okay. My main question is to so yeah. Ubo shiri wachiro. Start you. From start interview no. Mr. Analyst knows the good. Okay, how many years did you marry?
Have I been married?
Haven't you been married?
No, like you're asking how many years have I been married?
Okay, how many years have you been married? So like, also that's womb.
Yeah. So if I've been married, I got married in 2014. I did my engagement on the 14th of December, 2014. And I did my wedding in 21st of December, 2014. So calculating from 2014 till now.
Where is your husband?
He's there.
Where?
There.
You see, these things you're saying, it's kind of proof that
he's home. I mean, really?
When last did you see your husband?
Yesterday. I saw him yesterday.
That's the truth.
Now, more kind, no man chechu. The tell me Jawari na be busami.
Me catch almost Michelle. Like it's better hearing it from the horse's own mouth.
Any nyampa me feel.
Alright down.
Well, there are ups and downs.
But you see, in Ghana, if somebody says that you're not wearing your wedding ring, I mean, it's kind of proof that you've divorced. I mean,
so people are actually marrying rings, not men and women.
You know, are you back into the movie?
Strong. Maba.
Yeah, I was feeling comfortable. Strong, and they're strong. So when last did you shoot a movie?
In January this year.
One Kasa movie.
That's right.
Is it out?
No.
So when will it be out?
We're hoping, say, by the close. You know, sometimes we hear Juma, you anticipate that, Kaivia and Kadase, but then you don't get it like that. Now your dream, latest by Easter and Kibits Mapa Hon, some about 10 years, man, yes, sir. And we're hoping that latest by June, it should be out.
Now, in that she acquire a friend of Obano. I was to say as a Bunicon.
A Jumane Bunicon.
There's a movie.
Oh, me Hunisa. Me Hunisa said, I have some way. Be said, on say, a Jumana, a woman, a moon like a Jumebia, not even movie industry. There are problems in Ubia Ejuma. It depends on how you handle it. Even though there are still people in Krofu, they're still working. I think said there is more room for improvement. It depends on yen. When I say yen, not just the artists, the producers, the directors, the crew, and the artists.